So, one stunning omelette, one poached egg, and then a great British classic, a soft boiled egg. Are we ready? Any questions? No questions? 10 minutes, long enough? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give a round of applause, please.
No idea. There's no what to expect.
Whatever happens, you are the fastest omelette maker in Singapore. 55 seconds, that's super fast. All four of you, well done. Tough one. The top two was station 1 and station 4. Give them a round of applause, please. And the best egg service, the individual that we think is going to make an amazing intern, someone that has a great palate, someone that can cook under pressure, and someone that, is one to watch. Congratulations to Karen, well done.